Hello everyone, subscribe my channel first. Okay, so we are going to make a perspective drawing, and before making this perspective drawing we should know what is perspective in art. Perspective in art is like if you are standing here, okay, standing on a road, in middle of the road, how the buildings will form if you are visualizing upside, if you are visualizing in front. Okay, so how it is going to form, it can be road, building, bridge, like this. Okay, so you must have noticed that if you're just visualizing a road only, it is going to vanish on a point. Okay, so that point is vanishing point. After that point you will not be able to see anything. Okay, so everything is going to vanish on that point. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to make that perspective drawing in a circle thing. Okay, circular motion. So circular motion है ना, क्या यार भूल जाती हूँ मैं. Yes, in a circle. Okay, so suppose you are standing here. Okay, everywhere is building. Okay, so building is here. How it is going to form if you are visualizing in upward direction? Okay, so they will form like this, they will form like this, they will form like this, they will form like this and like this. Okay, so let's make, for making this drawing we need a big plate like this. Okay, to trace a circle you can take more big according to your page, and you need to take some sketch pens, pencil and a scale. So let's start. Let me fix this. Okay, so here is your art art page. Okay, I need to fix it, just a second. ये एक पेंटिंग के ऊपर एक पेंटिंग ओवरलैप, एक फिनिश होती नहीं है दूसरी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. ओके, सो हियर दिस इज माय पेज, इट इज A4, राइट? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द A4 size only I am making this circle. Okay, suppose you are taking A3 size, so you need to take a big circle. You can take bada thali, whatever you have right now. Okay, so let's start. First you will trace a circle. Okay, so basic thing, whenever you are drawing anything you need to use pencil only, because if any mistake is going to happen we can erase it. So this is your central point. You need to just imagine that this is your central point. Okay, and mark it with a light pressure of pencil because we need to erase this point. Okay, now take a scale. Please इसको scale की तरह ही assume करें because somehow my scale is broken. Okay, so let's start. So you are standing here on the downside and you are looking upward. So how the buildings will form from the middle, right? Okay, so suppose very first I want to make a small building. So what I'll do, I will draw a small line. Okay, small line, this much. So what I'll do, I will mark on the scale also that I have taken this much length. Okay, so again I am going to shift my scale. Okay, shift my scale, and this scale should be on this point only, and draw the same length. Now join it. Okay, now the next building I want to make it little long. Okay, so you are making it little long. You need to mark it and then shift your scale, and again when you're shifting you need to see this point only, that you are going to take the help of this point. Okay, you are not passing the line through this point, but you are taking the help. Okay, now join it. So again let me finish, then we'll come back. So from now I will make Okay, so here I have completed my building outline. Okay, but you must have noticed in the building there are some sections, small sections can be long, small squares. Okay, so you have to just design your building. So let's start designing again. So you will take this point help only. Okay, this is vanishing point. Suppose if you are continuing this building, everything is going to vanish on this point. Okay, but we are not going to continue till this point. Okay, so let's start designing again, taking the help of this point and making some sections like this. so here I have done with my sketching. Okay, so it is going to form like this when you'll continue. Okay, now after making, you need to erase this point, okay, and we need to color this video. Okay, so I am going to outline it with black sketch pen and coloring. For coloring you will see my next video. Okay, so अगली वीडियो प्लीज़ स्वाइप अप करें, नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट करें, बिकॉज उसमें आपको एक नया कलरिंग का तरीका पता चलेगा, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर्स पता चलेंगे कि अगर इसके साथ ये कलर होगा तो कौन सा कलर अच्छा लगेगा. ओके, बाय बाय बाय, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, थैंक यू.